Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki arngot ki khana ka Auxilium Girls Higher Secondary School Shillong, kilawan shakmat ha ka ka result mentausnem, kata ha ka examen SSLC, bat HSSLC. Ka bahon lang mauri kalawan baar ha ka top 10 jong ka HSSLC, bat karila akor lamari kalawan baar ha ka top 20 jong ka SSLC. Ka jingpas pa kini ki khana jong ka ni ka school mentausnem. Kalapan long ya kinong hikay bankmen hakom kani kasngi bat kum juru ya kaskul hi barok away.
Nga kerteng I rila ko lamare halit school po Auxilium Girls High Secondary School. Te habang ayo kani ka second position kalong ka jingyo ka bakraw yang nga yung school pag ikibahiyeng bahasang baro. Nikong aklam expect mga yo do top 200 da ka jing ay ublay ngalala man yo kani te baro ka jing snongmu kalong si ublay ningkong bula ay ka met ka bukot ka bakya baro si snem bula ay ka jing start jing champang tining kabaan nga ay ngu ya kikmi kikpa imay pa jonga namar kilong ki ba ay mensim ki tresh tom kanang mga manyo krepkat mga ya inong hikay ro baro ki ba Auxilium ki ay kat ka ba kila ini kim jong habang ipa batay ki ni sister job lin ru ilong ba ay mensim hay ngiman kasni tinga ko ban aingu iki baro bat iki bahing bahasam jonga baro mentaus nem arhajar apu way bangile da ko online class te kalong ka bajin jar mangim yo ikendo markmat bat kinong hikay hinre wat la kataru kinong namat da ka jingrap jong kinong hikay nilala ban le ko online class kalalong kabayad bayad ti tingi aingu ikata ka jingjar tam da don da marba ki ka mobile phone ka don te kita bun di jinjar.
Jongi baro si school Auxilium school na kabanta ka nagrisal ka babha ka mairila akor badi bahun lang ila ay ka cing job lang ba ka cing tracy tom joki mar ka cing tray lang joki bangiru irila akor di vice captain of the school and bahun idei captain jong school pekine ki lalong ki leader shisha ki bal ai nuksa na ka banta ki we ki khana school ro kine ki armod rila kor badi bakun lang ki treshi tom ki bot ya ka jing snang ka jing kraw jongi bar ka jing pen ilanti jongi no hikai but above all the credit of success goes to them because they work so hard, they were so focused in their studies, they keep their best in all that they have to do. That's the secret of success. And I'm sure these two will grow, will flourish, will continue to experience success in their life. So well done to our two wonderful girls. And we wish them God's blessing. We wish them all the best. And I congratulate the parents also who work so hard, giving their best also in the studies of their children, and the teachers. Our teachers work so hard.